How to verify Apple ID. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can verify Apple ID, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to verify your Apple ID, you just have to verify with your email or phone, and in order to do this, first of all open the settings application. If you're constantly getting that kind of pop-up that is asking you to keep verifying your Apple ID, open your settings app, then tap your profile at the very top of the screen here, and once you tap on the profile from the top, over there you'll find the option that says sign in and security. So tap on the sign in and security option, and once you have done that, here you'll find the option called verification. So you can go into and verify, or you can go to two-factor authentication, and make sure to turn on two-factor authentication and verify your email address. This way you'll be able to verify Apple ID. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.